We are entering a time where AI isn't just assisting your work, it's competing with you. Right now, it's not the most hardworking people who are safe. It's the people who are seen as high-value professional. And if your value isn't clear, if your impact is not visible, you become easy to replace. Here are 5 powerful shifts that will help you go from hardworking employee to high-value professional. Focus on what truly matters. Most people focus on ticking off tasks, staying active all day, looking busy. But the people who actually get ahead, they optimize for impact, results, outcomes. If you want to be seen as someone truly valuable, direct your energy toward what matters most. Work that creates impact, work that moves things forward, work that solves meaningful problems. Instead of thinking, what did I finish today? Start thinking, what did I improve today? What became better because of my work? At the end of the day, tasks are just activity. Outcomes are what create value. Next, stop being just an executor. Start thinking like a decision maker. Most people in their careers wait for instructions. They complete tasks, they follow the orders. But if you want to grow faster, you need to shift from doing work to shaping work. High-value professionals aren't just executors, they are decision contributors. Before you walk into any discussion, take 5 minutes and think, what's the real problem you are trying to solve? What are the possible solutions? What are the trade-offs of each option? What would you recommend and why? Walk into rooms with clarity, not confusion. With options, not dependency. With answers, not just questions. Instead of saying, what should I do? Say, here are 3 options and I recommend option 2 because. That's how you move from executor to strategist. In most organizations, decision-making is the bottleneck. So when you become someone who thinks ahead, structures problem, make clear recommendations, you stop being seen as just an employee and start being seen as someone who can lead. Now let's talk about something that makes you exceptionally valuable at work. Not just skilled, but trusted. High-value professionals aren't just talented, they are reliable. Your value comes from your reliability. Day after day, when people start to notice that you deliver what you promise, you stay composed in difficult situations, you take responsibility instead of deflecting, trust quietly becomes your strongest currency. They stop double-checking your work, they stop worrying about outcomes, they start relying on you. The less people feel the need to check on you, the more valuable you become. Next, let your work be understood. There's a common belief that if you just do great work, people will notice. But in reality, it rarely works like that. It's not enough to create value. You must make it visible. Because if no one understands your impact, they can't reward it. High-value professionals do 3 things really well. They communicate clearly, they share results, they make their impact easy to understand. Instead of saying, yeah, work is going well, you could say, we implemented X, which led to Y improvement. Whenever you share your work, answer 3 questions. What did you do? Why did it matter? What changed because of that? When you make your work visible, you are helping people see clearly, and clarity is what creates value. In the AI era, it's also important to build a unique edge. The people who truly stand out, the ones who get opportunities, trust, and influence, aren't just good. They often become the person who solves the messy, complex problems, the person who explains things so clearly that everyone gets it, the person leadership instinctively turns to when it matters. So if I ask you, what are you known for? Not just what you can do, but what people trust you to do better than most. Here's a simple test. If you left your team tomorrow, would things continue exactly the same? Or would there be a noticeable gap? A kind of something is missing here. That gap is your real value. Maybe it's your ability to simplify complexity, your calmness under pressure, your clarity in communication. In the AI era, being good at your job isn't enough anymore. You have to be essential. When your impact is clear, your thinking is visible, your presence is trusted, your life changes in that moment and your value becomes undeniable.